Welcome to the kitchen where we're going to teach you how to make some really amazing homemade soap.
I'm really looking forward to this. I'm excited and we're about to get started.
Okay, thanks for joining us. We've got all of our supply here and we've got our really amazing molds that we're going to be putting the soap in when we're completely done mixing it all together. We've got all the ingredients. And at the end of this video, I'll actually give you the list of all the ingredients. So if you'd like to make your own soap, you can do that too.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Okay. Okay, so as we're measuring the ingredients here, we're going to actually be using, this is a scale that I bought at the grocery store. So a lot of your grocery stores will have something like this. It's very easy. It's a digital scale. And we'll be measuring in a measuring cup. Once you put that on, just go ahead and zero out the scale so that it's showing at 0. And then when you're adding the ingredients, you'll have exactly the amount in weight that you need to have of each ingredient.
Perfect.
At any time, if you run out of ingredients, it's totally okay to substitute a different oil for the one that you're using. So we're going to go ahead and melt all the oils together until they're totally smooth and melted, fully melted. And we want the temperature to actually read between 90 and 125. So it's very important that when you're mixing the lye that you're actually wearing plastic gloves, rubber gloves, and that you wear some kind of eye protection in case there's any kind of splashing that occurs, because it could be very damaging to the eyes if you splash it in your eyes. Right. The one thing that's important to remember when working with lye is that vinegar is a neutralizer. So when we're all done in the kitchen here, we're going to neutralize everything by wiping all the counters and washing all the dishes with vinegar. So I'm going to put my protective glasses on as we get started here. And all I need to do, we're also going to always add the lye to the water and not the other way around. And I've already got the water mixed. It's in this pitcher here waiting for the lye. I've got the lye here. Almost to 200.
Holy cow.
Yeah, so this is going to be resting out in the garage for a while until the temperature comes down. So we'll keep an eye on that, and it'll probably be about, I'd say at least half an hour. So we're just going to let that outside where it can breathe and there's no animals around. So we're still waiting for the oils to cool down and get to the same temperature as the lye and water mixture. So while we're waiting, we may as well get some sun and drink some wine. So she just woke up.
No, I've been up a while.
This is Loni. And we're still waiting for the clock to tick-tock and waiting for that lye to come to the same temperature as the oils. Okay, so we've added now the lye and water mixture in with the oils, and it's already getting thick. So the chemical reaction is already taking place, and we're adding the essential oils for scent. And I've added a bunch of vanilla, and now I'm going to add some almond oil as well. So now that we've got it all wrapped up and covered with Glad wrap, we're going to set this out in the garage for about 24 hours. Then we'll unmold it, cut it into the size of soap bars that we're wanting to have, and then lay them flat on top of a screen where we'll have to wait for 8 weeks before you can use them. So we'll go ahead and bring these out into the garage. So, okay, so we'll see you in 24 hours.
It's important to have a little wine and a little bruschetta when you're making soap. It makes it a lot easier, a lot more fun.
That's actually how you get the magical ingredients for the soap. is to have fun while you're doing it and infuse it with some love.
We can do that.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm up.